cricket evolved a lot during 17th century, and at the old time the shape of the bat was like a hockey stick. Why it was so? Because there was a simple reason for this. Because the ball was bowled underarm along the ground, and the curve at the end of the bat gave the batsman the best chance of making contact. You can see in the picture. In the olden time, the ball had to be bowled under arm. One of my peculiarities is that a test match can go on for 5 days and still end in a draw. Means a test match can go for 5 days and still it may be have no clear result or the clear winner. No other modern team sport takes even half as much time to complete. A football match is generally over in an half and a half. Even baseball completes 9 innings in less than half the time that it takes to play a limited over match. A shortened version of me. The shortened version of match is 2020. Even 2020 took much time than other games like baseball, football match. Means cricket is the game that can take too much time. Another one of my peculiarities curious characteristic is that the length of the pitch is specified. 22 yards. Size, but the size of or the shape of the ground is not. Means the distance between these two stumps means the pitch must be 22 yards, but the shape of the ground is not definite. You can see it can be circular or it can be oval like Adelaide. Okay, it can be oval like Adelaide Stadium and nearly circular like Chepauk in Chennai. Okay, a 6 at Melbourne cricket ground needs to clear much more ground than it does at Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi. Means Melbourne Stadium needs much more clearer ground. But there is a historical reason behind both these oddities. What are the two oddities of cricket? That it can go for more than 5 days and still end in no result. And the second one is there is no definite shape of the ground. I was the earliest modern team sport to be codified. The first written laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. So the first written laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. And what were the stated in these laws? The principals shall choose from amongst the gentlemen present 2 umpires who shall absolutely decide and all disputes. Means in 1744 it was decided that there must be 2 umpires and they will decide all the dispute during the match. The stumps must be 22 inches high and the bail across them 6 inches. Okay, so the height or the length of the stumps must be 22 inches and the bail must be 6 inches. Okay, this is bail. The wall must be between